Today we wallpaper. Help me out. Just kidding. This is the wallpaper.
Okay. Don't hurt yourself.
It's a given. We gotta do this wall too, right?
Yeah, but we'll get that. Let's get the.
Yeah, you're right. Let's get the main
Should we
one
take
done.
the tape off?
Nah,
Okay.
you can leave it on. Mama. Exit windows. Mr. No Madness. Exit windows. All right. Let the games begin.
I don't want you to slice into this with the slicer.
I'm gonna use scissors.
Okay.
That's gonna look good in here. Looky there, Paw. We're getting there.
I gotta get another blade.
Yeah, because we dulled that one. I think we're gonna get probably one wall out of one roll, but it looks good. Better than paint. Ah. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. The tiny house. I gotta get another roll of wallpaper. Look, the floor's done. We still have to zigzag the seams and then just peel it off so you don't see them. But we'll get to it. And then this is the board we're putting up on the curve. And then I have really cool retro graphics I'm putting up there. But yeah, the floor's done. And the walls. Awesome. It turned out really good. Oh. I think it looks cool. I wanted a diamond pattern, and then I'm gonna accent with the mint green. So it's gonna be like a modern retro, but these are the boards that are gonna go here. And then we have a seam filler going in. It's looking good. Yes, it is. Right here is gonna be a small bathroom. So we're gonna have a wall here, and we're gonna mount a TV on said wall. It's just gonna be a small bathroom. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Can't wait. So this is where we're at now, folks. The little tiny cabin on wheels. All right, I'll see you in the next video.